Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
eHydra develops zero-emissions, hydrogen-powered commercial rickshaws with leading fuel cell technology. Interesting, isn't it? So let's get to know more about it.
Hello, my name is Pratiksha Khairnar. I am from College Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management, Nasik. So my project name is eHydra. So basically, let me talk about the problems. So the first major problem that we are currently facing is the rising fuel prices. According to our Transport Minister, Honorable Nitin Gadkari sir, he has said that around 17 lakh crore we every year import fuels, which is very costly. The second thing which harms the environment is the electric grid pressure that it creates on environment. And the third major problem that we are facing about electric vehicles is the charging or the refueling stations. So here, for all of these problems, only and only one solution here we come across eHydra. eHydra is an FCHEV, fuel cell hybrid electric vehicle. The solution is hydrogen. It is the combination of hydrogen and an electric vehicle. So what are we doing? First, we are solving the range problem. So about the range problem, in 1 kg of hydrogen, which cost around 150 rupees, we cover a range of about 98 kilometers. Second is the environment. Are we harming the environment? Not really. Hydrogen being from the atmosphere, we are just converting the impure form of hydrogen to pure form of hydrogen. And third is the price. Are we really increasing the refueling prices? No. In just 150 kilometers, you get to drive 98 kilometers and that's enough. Talking about the innovation part of our model is the fuel cell technology. Have you heard about lead acid batteries which are being used in the electric vehicles? Yes, these batteries lifespan is about 5 years. So how are you going to decompose them? Is there any technology for it? So after decomposing it, you get a material known as phosphor bronze. After plating this material into the membranes which are there in the fuel cell, we can just decrease the cost around 1/5. So the cost of our fuel cell now becomes 60,000 and the fuel cell which are being sold in the market range from about 2.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh, which is very huge. So we are of course doing the waste out of best technology, which is our innovation. Talking about the impact that it is creating on our environment today, yes, hydrogen is the near side future. But is hydrogen future currently? So what are we problems facing as we were making our prototype? So the major problems we faced about was the refueling stations. There are not enough refueling stations, or we can say that there are no refueling stations for hydrogen. Yes, but a technology known as green hydrogen. Just by putting solar panels and converting it through a process of electrolysis, we can have hydrogen at a very low cost and refuel our tanks. So talking about the future plans, what our project eHydra will take us on to is the B2C customer value proposition. At the very start, we'll be only selling our kits, which will comprise of our innovation fuel cell and second innovation PSA technology, which is known as the pressure swing adsorption technology. So these kits will be selling it to the vendors who have an electric vehicles. The car or the vehicle can be transformed into an FCHEV in just a span of 15 minutes. So this is our future goal which we'll be currently working on. Thank you.